In this video, we will be going over how to create a purchase order for your day-to-day purchases. To create a purchase order, click on Purchase Order on the main menu, and then click on Create Purchase Order. Enter in the job number that has already been created under the Job Setup page. For example, I will enter T1000. As you can see, the job name, address, and contact have been pre-populated with the details already entered at the job setup. You can edit these fields by clicking on the cell and making the changes. Please note that this will only change it for this purchase order. Select the type to purchase order and select the supplier. If the supplier does not exist within the dropdown, then you can click on the link Add Supplier, which will direct you to the Add New Supplier section. Fill in or change the other fields as needed and click on Submit. This will generate the next PO number in sequence and take you to your landing page where you can add products to your purchase order. There are three sections: PO Summary, Search for Products, and PO Product Details. The PO Summary is an overview of the PO, including costs and links to print the PO as a PDF and submit. To add a product to your PO, you can search via four options. Keyword search allows you to enter in product code, description, and/or select a category, and list all the products that contain elements used in your search. For example, if you enter EMT Conduit 2 in description fields and click Search, then the results will list products you have in your catalog with these words in the description for that supplier on the PO. To add a product from the list, click on Add Product Link. This will take you to an input form where all the fields are pre-populated and you can enter in the quantity. Click on Add Item to PO and the PO number will refresh and your item will now show under the PO Product Details section. Category search allows you to filter down to your product by selecting a category, then a product within this category. Enter in the quantity and click on Add Item to PO. Product code and description searches are similar to each other. For product code search, enter in the product code and the rest of the fields will auto-populate based on your entries found. In the product details, you can edit each item by clicking on the pencil icon. You can also remove an item by clicking on the X icon to delete. Once you have added all your products to your PO, then you can click on the Submit link in the PO Summary section. This is a two-step process. Step 1 is to print a PDF copy of the purchase order and save it to your computer or server. Once saved, click on Step 2 to send it to the supplier. This will open up your Outlook window and pre-fill the Send to details, subject, and contents. You will have to attach the PO PDF copy you just saved by selecting the Insert tab and click on Attach File. You can make any changes to the email content and add additional emails. Once sent, click on Email Sent button. This will update the status of the PO to Submitted and take you back to the purchase order summary page. This concludes our tutorial on creating a purchase order.